tunnels. People have been building tunnels for thousands of years. However, for much that time, tunneling was dangerous and could take many years of hard work. In 1860s, tunnel building became much easier when Alfred Nobel created dynamite, easy to use and safer than other explosives. At the time, dynamite allowed people to blast through rocks in moments. Since then, technology has continued to advance. The tunnels have grown larger and more amazing. Building tunnels. Today, workers have carved tunnels through rocks, mountains, under large bodies of water, and below busy cities. Before building a rock, engineers look at soil and rock samples. They drill test holes to discover the type of rock they will need to dig through. Once they have this information, they design a tunnel that would not collapse. Going places. For much of history, when travelers can across obstacles like mountains, they have a decision to make. They should go around or over. Both options is difficult until someone decides to go through. Today, tunnels allow safe and speedy passage through hills and mountains. They also allow people and goods to pass under cities, rivers, and seas. The largest tunnels are amazing examples of the work modern engineers can do. A tunnel usually follows 3 basic steps: dig, support, and line. First, workers dig parts of the tunnel. They may use tools, machines, or explosives. Once part of the tunnel has been cleared, it's time to start step 2, support. Any unstable ground must be stronger to prevent a collapse. How they do this depends on the material the tunnel has to go through. Once the tunnel has been made stable, workers build a line or inside of the tunnel. Using these 3 basic steps, people have built amazing tunnels all over the world. Tunnel through rocks. The second tunnel connects Honshu and main island Japan with Hokkaido. It's 55 kilometers long, make it second longest tunnel in the world. To build the tunnel, the workers has to blast through tons of hard rock. To blast through hard rock, workers first drill small holes. The type of rock determines how deep and how far apart the holes need to be. Then workers pack holes tightly with explosives. After it sets up the explosives, worker carts away the pieces of rocks created by the blast, called monk. Building tunnels under bodies of water presents additional challenges. In many instances, workers make a change while building sections of tunnel above ground. When the change is complete, the sections of tunnel are sunk and connected together. When everything is sealed, the water is pumped out of the tunnel. Marseille Tunnel, which connects to European and Iceland sides of Istanbul, Turkey, was built using trench method. A Channel Tunnel, which crossed under the English Channel between England and France, was built using another method. 11 tunnel boring machines began to work. on either side of the tunnel. They met in the middle 2 years later, and the tunnel was finally opened 4 years later in 1994. Building tunnels through soft ground, such as sand or gravel, can be dangerous. The earth can easily collapse. To stop this from happening, workers push a steel cylinder called a shield into the earth for support. Then they dig out the material within the shield. Next, they install a liner which is often made by steel or concrete. With that complete, they push the shield deeper ahead and repeat the process. Mirko Brundle invents the method in order to build the Thames Tunnel in the 1840s. Building tunnels under These amazing tunnels help millions of people and tons of goods move each day all around the globe. As people continue to create newer, faster, and better modes of transportation, they still came across the same obstacles to get people where they were going faster. New tunnels will need to be built. Fortunately, technology allows the construction of longer, deeper, and wider sections, and more easier and safely than ever before. Who knows that amazing tunnel will be built next?